guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video I'm going to be organizing inside of my refrigerator. I have been collecting containers to do this for a while now. A lot of the items I got from the Dollar Tree and I really want to share with you guys. But before we jump into the video, I want you to hit that subscribe button. It's free and I would love to have you guys a part of our YouTube family. And once you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button so you won't miss any of my uploads. And I am going to be doing a giveaway very soon because I reached 700 subscribers. I am so excited, guys. I know that doesn't seem like a lot to some people, but to me, I am so thankful for each and every one of you guys. And I will be doing a giveaway very, very soon. So I'm just going to show you the containers that I got. Right here, guys, are the containers that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to go through them really quick to show you everything that I got. So I have some containers for my eggs, and I got this from Roses, and it was only $3.99. I got this from, I think it was either Burlington or TJ Maxx, and it was on sale for $1.99. And then these containers here, I got, well, no, this one, these containers here, and then these containers here, I got from the Dollar Tree. And I got this one from TJ Maxx, and it was only $3.99. It is really a really good size. And it just gives you ideas on how you can organize your refrigerator. And then this one I got from the Dollar Tree. And I got these from the Dollar Tree also. And then the very last one, I got another one from TJ Maxx, and it was only $4.99. So as you see, the containers were very inexpensive. You don't have to spend a lot of money to do a project like this if you want to, you know, get your refrigerator organized. And I'm going to show you how inside of my fridge looks right now. It's not really that bad, guys, but I do want to get it organized. This is inside of the drawers here, which, like I said, is not that bad. And here's the size here. And I'm not going to be doing the bottom portion of the refrigerator because it's really not that unorganized. I really want to concentrate more on the top area. So like I said, it's not that bad. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and jump into the video. Okay guys, the refrigerator is clean. I have all the shelving cleaned. I cleaned out everything. So everything is nice and clean and ready to be organized. So I'll get back with you once I have organized everything. Okay guys, this is the finished project. I really do like how everything came together. So we're gonna start at the top. For those two bigger containers, I have some of my larger condiments, you know, that comes in, you know, the larger bottles like the mustard and stuff like that. And over here I have some jars that have pickles, radish, and some sauces. So that's what I use for the larger trays. Right here are my containers that I use for my sodas and any other canned drinks. And on this shelf here, I just have my creamer, and I got these containers from the Dollar Tree, and I have my mashed potato mix in here. And I don't have anything in this one yet because I'm gonna put something in there, like my flour or something inside of that. But I just think these containers are so cute. They stack really nice together. And here, and my shelves do come out in my refrigerator, guys. And I have my eggs in these two containers. And I didn't show you guys this container because I had it for a while. This is where I keep my bacon. So I have my eggs and bacon on this shelf. And I have an extra container of eggs because I love eggs. We use a lot of eggs because I love eggs myself. And these are some just leftover spaghetti boxes, and I set them inside this tray here. And you know, I want to point out to you guys the importance of organizing your refrigerator, because a lot of times I don't always know if I have spaghetti to make, you know, spaghetti at home, and I'll buy a new box at the grocery store not even knowing that I have some at home. So when you organize your items in your refrigerator, when you go grocery shopping, it gives you an idea of what you need to pick up at the grocery store, so you won't keep buying stuff double of something that you already have. Because as you see, I have two mustard things right here because I wasn't sure if I had any at home, because my refrigerator was not organized and I wasn't sure if I had one, so I ended up buying an extra one, which I know you can use it, but if you don't really need to be buying double stuff, it's good to organize to keep yourself, you know, get yourself organized to keep yourself from doing that. So we're gonna start with this drawer here, which I use for my vegetables. And I have the containers that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I have my onions, tomatoes, some carrots, and I think it's some garlic and some ginger or something else that I have in there. And the other drawer I use for my fruits, and I just have some grapefruit placed back there. I don't have them in a container, but this air container that I got from the Dollar Tree, I'm using to place my, what do you call these, cuties, little small tangerines. I forgot what they call these, but I have these here. And then I have a container with my blackberries in them, or blueberries. And this last drawer, I have some more containers from the Dollar Tree. I didn't show you these before because I ended up having to go back out and get these, and they came 2 in a pack for $1. My sandwich meat here, and then I have some butter spread here, and then my sticks of butter I use in another container from the Dollar Tree. And if I didn't mention before, I got these 2 containers from the Dollar Tree. They came 2 in a pack. And this container here, I have my cheese. I have my sliced cheese here, and I have my snacks of cheese sticks that I have for a snack. And I think I might get one other tray to put right here. And so we're gonna go on the side here. I just have my water, and I got these 2 containers. They came 2 for $1. I have my cornmeal and some seafood breading inside of those. And then on this shelf, I kind of left this kind of like the same, but I did get rid of some old stuff that I had, or duplicate stuff that I had. So I have my cottage cheese and my yogurt up top, and some taco sauce. And then I have some other sauces here that didn't fit in any of these. And then I have my salad dressings here. And then I have some hummus and some lemon juice that I had. And I just set that there. So yeah, guys, I really love how everything came together. Everything is so organized and put together. I like the way it looks inside. So, and as I stated before, I really didn't do anything to the bottom because that's pretty much organized. I just really had to concentrate on the top here. And like I said, I really love how everything came together. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, but most of all, subscribe if you haven't done so. I would love to have you a part of our YouTube family. And I hope this video inspires you to do something similar in your home. It's really good to organize and keep things together. It makes your day go easier because you can just, you know, go on your refrigerator and find everything that you need. And, you know, when you're doing your daily shopping, you'll be able to see what you already have when you're making your grocery list. So, guys, that is it for today, but I will be coming back with some more organizing videos. And as always, please stay blessed. Bye, guys.